Alright, so power this on. It's a keyless entry, or I keep a fob in my pocket. I will go over the this wonderful display, everything that's featured in this bike. Not going to do it right now. That will be another video if I haven't posted already. I have not had time to set anything up. I downloaded the BMW app to use the maps, but I don't have a scene or thing in my helmet or anything like that. You see the volumes moving, so I have some things connected. Don't know what I got connected, but right now I have Beats Flex earphones in my ear that's connected to my phone in Google Maps. Haven't had time again to do this. I will sit down this weekend, configure everything. I should have a Cardo on my helmet by then. I just did right now put this 360 camera on here. I have these handlebars are not stock or are the handlebars that normally come with this RT. I believe there isn't this piece here and it stops here. This was special for this triple black. There's some things like this guard here, this engine cover, the triple black paint, and some other things that come special with this particular bike. So I have the side bags on, don't have the top case on. I always hit that. I'll have to clean that off. See, my Beats thing went off. So I'm supposed to get that this week or next week. So I'm gonna go ahead and ride. I'm gonna turn it off here. I'll hit the record button when I get closer to the mountain. Big Bear is north of about 2 hours north, or no, I'm sorry, 2 hours east of Los Angeles. I live in a city that is about, like I said, an hour and a half drive, about 56 miles from where I'm going. Anyway, so about 56 miles. It is known for, it's got really good skiing, snowboarding. It's one of the largest mountains in the area, if not the largest in this local area. Obviously there's other mountains further north, Mammoth. So, and I have my new BMW 2023 triple black 1250 RT. I did a lot of research. I'm looking for a touring bike, somewhere I can go long distances and also have fun. So I tried this one. I did research, YouTube, internet, Google, talked to people. I also tried a traditional cruiser, but I tried an Indian cruiser. But this one allows me to go out here in these canyons like this and have more fun than it would be than a traditional cruiser like a Harley or an Indian. And so I'm kind of taking it easy around these corners. I haven't been up here in a long time. This is only my second time in the canyons on this bike. I went last weekend. We went to another mountain called Idlewild, which is a little bit further from here. And you can really lean this bike and do some things. Today this is a cruise, slow ride, not too fast. I'm not going to push it. I'm going to go up here. If I have time, I left about an hour late. On a motorcycle, you you think you're going to leave at a certain time and you're getting everything ready, and it takes a lot longer to get on a bike than it does just hopping in a car. But this is going to be the new type of bike life, where again, more cruising. I plan on making rides out to Vegas. I have some clients in Twin Falls, Idaho. I was thinking about, eventually making a long trip up there, going up through Vegas, then on up to Idaho. Now that's a 12-hour ride, and I'd make a trip out of it. Maybe 2 or 3 days, and then go stay with them for maybe a weekend or something, and then head on back. Another thing that I'm going to add to this channel is one of those, an RV. I'm in the process of looking for one for myself where I could just get out and take my dogs. I have 2 labs. So I actually have 3 dogs, but the labs will be the one that'll be traveling with me. I have an older silky terrier, but he's like 15 years old. I don't think he'd be able to handle those trips. But sometimes it's going to be me, myself, and my dogs, and my Ducati and Aprilia going to track events, track days, all over the country. I'll also be using it for kind of smelling this brake or burning, but I'm pretty sure it's not me. I got a new bike. Hopefully it's not me. Then also for family events, when we want to take it out to Yosemite or Montana, some of the state parks all over the country. So that's something that I may not purchase for another year. I think I'm going to do a year of research and maybe rent one and see if that's something I really want to do. But that will be added to the channel also. Oh, and then I also, when I take that RV, and I'm looking for like a 32 to 38 footer. You guys want to put down in the comments what you suggest, because also when I have that RV, and then also I'm going to trail my bikes with it. So right now I'm looking into buying like a 7x14 trailer to trail my bikes with the RV or a truck. Anyway, I'm gonna be quiet for a little bit. You guys enjoy the views. Some cars go really slow, and if you know you're slow on a mountain and you got 20 cars behind you, it's kind of best just to pull over, let them go by. Got 2 cars to get ahead of. Oh, there's some music.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. That truck is here to pick up boulders that have come down off that mountain. Man, I should get out and take some pictures, but the reason why I don't want to get out because I got all those cars that I passed. If I were to get out and start taking pictures, then those cars are gonna get in front of me again, and then I gotta try to pass them again, or a lot of them are being real nice and moving over, which again, I'm just wondering, do they think it's a police bike? But typically in California, at least for me, I've had really good experience of when I'm lane splitting, lane filtering, people move over, and I give them the two finger down sign, and then even here, people moving over. Make sure no one's behind me, because I'm kind of using both lanes just because it's there, but make sure another bike is not behind me, or one of these cars. And as you can see, this part of the canyon is really fun. If you want to come out here and get into it. I know if I'm going this slow, some of my friends be a little like, what are you doing, Brian? Now I got really good friends that I ride with. No one's gonna leave you. They would just wait up there or wait at the destination. No one has egos or anything like that. No one's gonna, complain if you're riding too slow. It's whatever. I mean, everyone has a destination, and if you don't, or we make a turn somewhere, we will all wait there. I'm also part of 2 TECATE groups, and they're all cool about that. Yeah, cool. Love those bikes. Or sorry, love that Porsche. Yeah. So you get some pizza. Hopefully the Porsche Club's not there. Might have to go to another spot, or oh my god. Oh my god, what the world? See this dude? What was that? Oh my god. What was that, man? That's how you get, these people get killed. Get that picture right there. That's stupid. That's how people get hurt. Idiot, man.